welcome back. Today's video is going to be a new PR unboxing and haul. I do these videos every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all of my PR packages and then we open them together so we can see some of the new makeup launches. I have quite a few boxes to get through this week, so why don't we go ahead and get started. So I can't find my little box cutter anywhere, so we're just going to be using scissors, which I feel like is dangerous. I don't know. Is it? I'm pretty sure I can handle it. This first box, I think it says it's from Dermalogica. So it says New Clearing Defense SPF 30 Mattifies Breakout Prone Skin, and this is proven to help with UV rays, pollution, makeup, and dehydration without clogging your pores. So we have a new product from them. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Here is the packaging right here. This is part of their Start Clear line. I believe this is a line that they have with quite a few products to it. So here is what the SPF looks like. Obviously we're coming into summer, and anytime we do that, it's always good to find a new SPF. So it says it's a mattifying moisturizer, so we'll see how this performs. You can use it like underneath your makeup or whatnot, but I will let you guys know on that. Okay, next up we got this box here from Winky Lux. They always do the cutest little packaging here. So we have this little bundle right here with some products inside of it. So up first we have a coffee scented. This is a bronzer in mocha. So here is the packaging on that, very sleek. It's just like this gold packaging. Here is what the bronzer looks like. It definitely does smell like coffee. There's also a palette in here. This is the Latte Kitten palette. And here is the inside of that one. It's actually really pretty. It's kind of like a muted palette, you know, it's like warm, but it's not like too warm. It has a mirror on it. I like a lot of Winky Lux's palettes. I feel like they have a pretty good formula. They're very affordable as well. Up next in here, I think we have a few different lip products. So we have one of their Creamy Dreamy lipsticks, and then we also have one of their lip glazes. And then there's also another lip velour in here. And then there's two more things right here, like little single shadows. So we have two different ones. And we have Chai right here, which is like a golden shade. And then the next one here, this one is Frothy. These names are so cute. And here is Frothy right there. I'm going to swatch this one. It kind of looks like a highlight, like it would be really pretty as a highlight. So here is that shade right there. Super cute. Definitely looking forward to testing out some of these products from Winky Lux. Of course, let me know down in the comment section what products you guys want to see in a trying new makeup video, because I love putting new makeup into videos. So let me know down below what you're most excited about. So this next box I have here came over from Grande Cosmetics. It says their new Grande Drama. So this is actually a mascara. So it says it's an intense thickening mascara that will lift, lengthen, and dramatically adds volume and impact for your lashes. So it says that it has minerals and fatty acids to help promote dense lash and unbelievable shine and glossiness. So that sounds actually really cool. So I'll show you guys what this looks like. So here is the outer packaging here. So it says 97% saw dramatic lash volume, 94% saw thicker lashes. I really like a lot of Grande's products. They have some really good just like serums. They have a brow serum I really like, and also a lash serum that's really good as well. I'll go ahead and show you guys the wand on this one. So here is what the wand on the mascara looks like. I'll have to give this one a try and see if it lives up to all of these claims. All right, this next one says it's from a PR firm, so I'm not sure who this one is from. So this one is from Farsali. They just released that new Hydration Bay, which I've been really liking. So we have another new release from them. I think I saw that this is gonna be like a new eye cream, I'm pretty sure. Yes, so this is their 8 hours of sleep packed into one cream, a flash of radiance for dull, tired eyes is what it says. This one is called their Healthy Eyes. It's a brightening turmeric eye cream. So I read that, or like when I was reading on Trend Mood, I saw that you could use this. It says place a pea-sized amount on your under eye using your ring finger, massage in the eye area, and so it says that you can use this as skincare or as like a primer before you apply like your eye makeup. And here is what it looks like right here. It's like bright yellow, and I'll see a little bit of it just so I can feel what the formula feels like. It feels very hydrating off the bat, and it doesn't seem like it's gonna be like too thick, which I think would be nice for like underneath makeup. We'll have to see. I love the fact that they're coming out with like more products. They've always kind of been like skincare driven with like their elixirs and everything, but I love the fact that they're coming out with like new innovative products with like the hydrating mask, and then now we have the eye cream as well. So I'm really curious to again try this one out. Thank you Farsali for that package. The next box I'm going to get into is from Skinfix. So they sent over the Skinfix Me Kit, a small size but powerful by nature. If you're obsessed with becoming comfortable in your own skin, then this bag is for you. Okay, cute little bag right here. So I'm guessing these are like travel size items. Let me open it so we can find out. Here is what it looks like. Really, really cute. I love this bag. Skinfix has one of my favorite products ever, my favorite skincare product ever, which is the foaming oil cleanser. I live by that. I love it so much. So yes, so we have a bunch of products in here. So the foaming oil cleanser, this one is my favorite for removing my makeup. We have their Eczema Plus hand repair cream. So this one's supposed to be really good if you deal with like dry hands. I've given this to my sister and she actually told me she's seen a difference with her hands. We also have the lip repair balm in here. And then we also have the Liptide Peptide Lotion as well. And there's a couple more products. It's a pretty good bag. You get a good decent amount in here. The 911 ointment. This is a multi-purpose healing balm. And then the last product in here, I think, is their redness. Yes, their redness recovery. So this one is supposed to help with like dryness or redness that you can deal with on your skin. You can sleep in that one, or you can use it just like as a hydrating mask. So here again is all of the products. This one was stacked full. Let me see if it says a price on here. I don't see a price on here, but if you're looking to try like Skinfix's products, I think this is a good way to try them with this different set here. So they are available now at Sephora. So if you want to check them out, that's really cool that they're offering this little like mini kind of sampler set too. So up next we have something from Huda Beauty. This is such a cute little package. It looks like a little weight, and this is our new tantor bronzers. Couldn't speak for a second there. So inside of here, they sent over all of the shades of the bronzers and then also the brush, which I have sitting on my desk because I've already tried these out. So the shades they come in are fair, light, medium, tan, and rich, so that everyone can find their shade in this. The one that I used was the fair one, which on me, this one was like perfect. So if you have more of like a medium skin tone or light skin tone, I think fair would actually work great on you. And then they have the next shade up, which is light. I'll show you guys that one. And then we also have obviously the deeper shades, but even like the light, I would say that's more of like a medium. It looks pretty deep. But this is a really cool formula. I have tested it out already, and it's really, really nice. So it goes on as a cream, blends out really, really easily, and then it actually turns into like a powder. So you're not going to need to set it or anything like that, and it's really, really easy to blend out. So I want to continue to try them out and see how I feel about like the different shades and everything like that. But so far, I've been like really liking this. Next up for the package, we have something from FARAH Brushes. So it says, "Dear Molly, we hope you love our new collection." I think these are lashes. That's exciting. The only things I've tried from like FARAH Brushes are their brushes and like their tweezers and things, but they actually sent over some lashes. This is exciting. Okay, so let me show you guys the different style of lashes. So here is the style Salty. Right here, we also have this one here, which is fur. My camera doesn't want to focus, but there's Furry right there. This one's pretty. This one is Swaggy right here. And then there are 3 more, it looks like. The other ones are Drama Queen. We also have this one here, which is Sensation. There is what Sensation looks like. And then the last one, these are pretty. This one here is Whisper. So they also sent over a little applicator, it looks like, to put them on with, and then some little glues, like some little sample glue things right here. I'll definitely have to give these a go and see what I think of them. Thank you, FARAH Brushes. All right, so we just got 2 packages left. Up next, I actually have another one from Dermalogica. So inside of this one, we have, it says Glow Like a Pro. So their Photo Replenish Oil, and then also their Hydro Blur Primer is in here. The Hydro Blur Primer, I think it says new on it, but I thought that this was a product that was already out. Apply an amount on your damp sponge adhesive. Okay, so it looks like this is maybe a new version of it. I swear I thought that was out before, but maybe this is a new one. But here is what it looks like. It's a primer. Go ahead and show you guys a little bit of it. Yeah, this looks like the one that I've seen before. Like, I've tried this one before, so I don't know why it says new. But I know a lot of people swear by this one. It's really good for like filling in your pores and things like that. I don't think I have this one in my collection anymore, so I'm actually kind of glad I got it so I can go ahead and have it in my collection and use it. And then we also have the replenishing oil as well from them. Okay, and then this is our last box here, and I am not sure who this one is from. Okay, we got a box inside of a box inside of a box. Here is the other box right here. So these are 1 click, 1 dose, and let's see. Ooh, got lots of things in here. Okay. So here is what the package looks like. I don't want to tip anything over, but it looks like we've got some pigments, some lip colors, and a primer. So up first in here is the Pigment Transformer. Oh, this is actually a glossing mixing medium. I thought it was a primer, but it's actually a mixer. So let's see if there's any info on this so I can read about it. So it says you can try mixing with our new Glossier for a high pigment color payoff and shine. So that actually sounds really cool. So you can mix it with the lip colors. So these are their new Lip Dose Soft Matte Lip Clicks. So it looks like there are quite a few different colors of those. Let me swatch a few that pique my interest here. Okay, so this one right here, this one is called Cartage. And I'll go ahead and show you guys this one. So it actually has a, I'm trying to twist it, but it says click. So you have to click it up. This one has like a triangular shape to it. Come on. Sometimes when you like go to click them, it takes a second. I don't want to go up too much because I don't think I can go down. But I'll go ahead and swatch it. It's like a brownie shade. I really don't have that many like that. So there's that. And I'll swatch another one of the shades for you guys. So we'll go into this one right here, which this one is called Do You Mind? And we'll click this one up. It's going to be like a nude pink shade. So go ahead and give this one a swatch. This shade is really pretty. Special for summertime. I love bright pink shades in the summertime. The formula feels pretty cool. Sleek Makeup is an affordable brand, so it's always good finding affordable products. And then we have some loose pigments from them. So there are quite a few different colors in the loose pigments. So it looks like they have like iridescent shifts to them, which is really pretty as well. But I definitely think these look really pretty and look kind of different, like this one right here especially. Really pretty with like the duochrome shifts. It kind of reminds me of my nails. My nails got a little intense when I went and got them done today, but let me know down below again what product you guys are most excited about. Thank you so much Sleek Makeup and all of the rest of the brands who sent over products this week. I'm always so grateful and so grateful to you guys for making these videos possible for me. So give this one a thumbs up if you do enjoy my unboxings. Also don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye friends.